Okay guys, in this video I'll show you how to blur anyone's face in a video using Wondershare Filmora. The latest version of Wondershare Filmora enables anyone's face blur using effect. Let's run Wondershare Filmora. Make sure you have the latest version, otherwise it will not work. Create on new project. Okay, it looks like this screen. We will import our video into this project. You should also have an internet connection to download these effects. I have downloaded this small video. Let's import this one. Okay, the video has been added to the timeline. Okay, now we will go to effects. Under effects section you will find a huge collection of effects. But first we will check for face blur effects. You can find them here. A lot of face effects are also here. You can download and apply them. We will try different versions of face effects today. As you can see, a lot of face effects are here. Let's try this one. As you can see, it is processing now. Wait until it process completes. Let's check other effects. As you can see, the face detection has been completed and it detects two faces. You can choose both faces or one face to blur. You can once the detection has completed, you can choose any effect to apply that blur. As you can see, this looks good. You can play the video and check. The blur is completely working. You can increase or decrease the strength and the feather and the opacity of the blur according to your needs. You can also apply 2 or 3 blurs at the same time. You can also apply an emoji. An emoji also works good. This one is bad, not working correctly. The face is revealing, so we are gonna delete it. As you can see, different emojis are also available. You can put those emojis on a face. Let's try this one. It is getting downloaded. As you can see, emoji has been placed on both faces. You can choose your face, increase or decrease the size and speed. It is perfectly working, and the emoji also looks good. Animation is good. Let's increase or decrease the speed to check if it is working correctly. As you can see, we have increased the speed and it's working correctly. Following the face is not revealing. Okay, it's working fine. You can also set its position up or down, left or right according to your need. Let's check for others. A lot of effects are here. This is the background effect. This looks good. Let's see if this works or not. The download has completed. And this is working very good. It looks very nice. Let's try these effects with AI Beauty, AI blushes. You can apply them. They are also working fine. Here is a lot of setting. We can choose setting according to our need, increase or decrease these ones. Here is a logo on this video. You can remove this logo or blur this one using this blur, the surface blur. You can apply this to your video, adjust here and increase its strength or decrease according to the video. You should increase the feather. As you can see, it's working fine. Thanks for watching the video. Hit like and subscribe the channel.